How to streak on Snapchat app. So if you want to learn how to streak on Snapchat app, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you've logged into your account. After logging into your account, now if you want to maintain some streaks, then you just need to simply go with chats, which is on the bottom left. And once you're under your chats, for example, if I want to maintain the streaks from the first person, then what you need to do is go with the camera shaped icon, which is on the right side, and it will take it to the camera, right? You need to notify the other person that you are trying to maintain a streak. So you need to take snap, and after taking a snap, you can go with stickers, and here you need to search for streak, and here you need to enter the sticker and then send. Now after sending that, if the other person also sends you a snap, then you will maintain the streak. Like for example, I'll just simply go with the other ID and I'll send a snap. Now I've just sent a snap. As you can see that if you've sent a snap and if the other person also sends you a snap, then you will have the snap streak. I have just got one streak. In this way, if you maintain, if you daily send some snaps to the other person, and in order to that, if you receive some snaps daily, then your snap score will be increased. So that's how you can streak on Snapchat app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.